Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to build a simple but very useful Excel VBA project. We will create a data entry form where users can fill in client information, click a button, and automatically save the data into another worksheet. Here's the final result. We have a simple form: name, last name, phone number, address. And when I click the Save button, boom! The data is automatically added to the client worksheet. No copy-paste, no manual work. Everything is automated using VBA. Let's start from scratch. First, create a new worksheet and rename it Formulaire. Now create the labels: name, last name, phone, address. Then create another worksheet named Client. This worksheet will store all the saved data. In the client sheet, create the headers: name, last name, phone, address. This will act as our small database. Now let's add the button. Go to Developer Insert button. Draw the button on the form. Then assign the macro and register_client. Rename the button. Save client. Now let's write the VBA macro. Press Alt plus F11. Then insert module and paste the VBA code. Let me explain the code step by step. First, we define our worksheets. Then we search for the next empty row inside the client sheet. After that, we copy the form data into that row. Then Excel shows a confirmation message. Finally, the form is automatically cleared for the next entry. Now let's test everything. I enter John Smith, phone number, Cameroon. Click Save, and the data appears automatically in the client sheet. Perfect. And that's it. You just created a fully functional Excel VBA data entry system. In the next videos, we can improve this project by adding search functionality, edit and delete buttons, automatic client ID, professional user forms, PDF export, login system. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like the video, subscribe, and comment below what VBA project you want next.